Here's the result of mapping the sine values for quadrants 3 and 4. Now we have the target values for x between 0 and 2 pi. The red curve represents one rotation around the unit circle. This is one cycle of the sine wave. If you are connected to the internet, click on the hyperlink below for a Desmos demonstration of the sine wave. Since the sine wave comes from the unit circle, we know that the largest value for sine x is 1, and its smallest value is -1. So we can label the extreme values on the y-axis of 1 and -1, these blue dashed lines. The range of the sine function is from -1 up to 1. What is the domain? The unit circle can be navigated clockwise or counterclockwise for all real numbers. This makes the domain of sine x all real numbers. The sine function repeats itself every 2 pi units. The graph below shows 2 cycles of the sine wave. One cycle is for x between 0 and 2 pi, so right here. And the second cycle is for x between 2 pi and 4 pi. So you can see the wave repeats itself after 2 pi. The graph below shows 2 cycles of the sine function. One cycle is for x belonging to -2 pi until 0, and the second cycle is for x between 0 and 2 pi. Negative arguments x represent going clockwise around the unit circle rather than counterclockwise. So what's the domain of sine x? -∞ to infinity. All real numbers.